Hi guys, Lori here with Beauty Simplified by Lori, and I'm coming at you today with a review. You guys know I've been testing out some products that were sent to me, and honestly, they're working. I'm telling you, the wrinkles on my neck are better. Okay, so here we go. Let me just kind of go through these products with you a little bit and kind of what I have been doing with the products, because you guys know I love my milk products, and so I've actually been using these products that were sent to me by Lavie on my neck and under eyes. I'm telling you. So the cream is super yummy, nice and thick, a lot like milk, and I have been using it on my neck usually once a day, sometimes twice a day if I remember, and I'm not kidding. It's working. It's working. So it's super creamy. I love the feel of it. I've been using it down here on my chest too, because as we get older, we get all these little wrinkles, and it has been firming things up for me. So this is a hydrating cream. So this would be kind of comparable to milk. Doesn't have the lactic acid in it like milk does, but it's still got some good stuff. Obviously, if it's been taking care of the wrinkles on my neck. I did not take a before picture. I'm gonna go back and see if I can find a picture of me in a video with my neck so that you guys can actually see the difference. It's crazy. Honestly, I didn't think it would work. I've tried so many things. I just didn't think it would work, and what am I thinking? Why didn't I do it? Okay, this one right here, this is the Ooh La La Booster Serum. I honestly think this is the holy grail, okay? I honestly think if you use this in combination with the milk, it would be good. So not only is the packaging really pretty, this is like a little dropper in here. So you pull it up like this. I'm gonna put some on right now. And it honestly smells like lemon meringue pie. And I just put a little bit on my neck, and then I will also put it under my eyes along with the eye serum. So this one is called the Multi-Dimensional Platinum Eye Serum. It's pretty hydrating. I'm impressed with how hydrating it is. But you guys, I think this right here is kind of holy grail stuff right here. So if you only need to get one product, get this product, okay? Now this is the eye serum product. It's like, so sometimes when you use like creams like this, they're too thick to be really absorbed under the eye. And so this is a little bit thinner. It's a little bit more runny. Let me just put some out on my finger and kind of show you. So it's kind of a little bit runnier, and that is what your under eye needs to be able to absorb the nutrients and the yumminess. I'm just gonna put it on my neck because I don't want to waste it, because it really is kind of holy grail stuff. And so you guys, I do have a discount code for you so that you can save 10% on the products. If you want to try them, just know that if you try them, you have to take a before picture and you have to tag me in those pictures, because I want to see if it does for your neck and chest area what it's done for mine. I'm super impressed with it, honestly. But this one, smells good. It's always important. And I love the feeling. So anyway, it's by Lavie Lab, and I'm kind of a believer. So if you guys have any questions about it, as far as ingredients and stuff, you guys will have to go to their website and do some reading and stuff on it, because I mean, I'm just not very good with all those names, and Not only that, like it's just better to do your own research. You know that it works on me. I wouldn't say that it worked on me if it didn't work on me. So let me know. I'm gonna put the link in my bio. There'll be, you go to Linktree, you click on the Linktree, and it pulls up a bunch of different things like my YouTube channel and my Instagram or my Facebook. And in there will be a link that you can click on, and it'll take you to the products, and then I'll type in the discount code for you guys. So hopefully this has been helpful. Let me know if there's other things you guys want me to try out for you, because like I love trying out products for you guys. It's my little baby. She's getting so big. Oh, did you see? She's like, there's another mommy. Anyway, you guys, I hope you have a good night. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate it. And I always just want to provide value for you guys. So let me know if there's something you want to see, and I'll take care of it. Talk to you guys later.